All right. Once again, we back. Check us out. The journey, the marathon, the drive is going down. We're headed to the next farmer's market. Pay attention. You might see something. You might have been there before. You know what I'm saying? It's all good. I need y'all to like and subscribe. Subscribe and like.
Which one is that? The mango cream. I will get
Green
the
ginger.
mango cream.
The mango cream, lowest flavor.
Yeah.
Okay, quarts is $8, baby. We should get
Oh.
quarts, huh? Those are good.
Oh, mango. Yeah, I'll take a mango cream.
Which one is that?
Lemonade, it depends. That one,
That you was just describing.
that's the turmeric. So it's either it's mixed, or we have the shot individual shots, or like I said, it's mixed like in this one.
Okay.
Like I tell myself, not one, you know.
Yeah,
It's
right.
like with water, you can't get on unless you just
Just
warm
drink water, yeah, right.
Now, so I'm hydrated.
But we for sure want to support you. Right, y'all. So I got cranberry deep. And
I
we're
like
going
that
to try
one.
this
Thank
one.
you.
Yeah?
Yeah, so I like anything with pizza. I really like.
Yeah, that's what I want to try the
Yeah,
beef.
they're really good for you. Like this, really like.
Right. So I got to get it in my
Like
system.
that, yeah.
Can
So
we
that's-
get a bag, please?
Yeah, of course.
We have a little more walking to do. Those flowers smell so good. Find you some decent nectarines. Rock.
Good morning. How are you? Okay. Can you, those are oyster mushrooms right there, right?
Where?
We're trying to learn about these mushrooms. So can you give us a little history on
Oyster mushrooms. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
That's probably why she's not talking that much and trying.
Just threw me off.
Well, good, because you need to be thrown on because she's coughing like that.
Coughing like a motherfucker, huh?
Yeah. I think I needed. What are those? Are those little tomatoes right there?
Where? What's they look like? Go. $26
$6 each, or 4 for $20, and his was $10, huh? But it's not that big. Good morning. Where? Yes. Okay. Yes, please.
Would you like one with handles or just a plain one?
With handles. I'm gonna grab those. And
We got happy chicken eggs. We got really good crumble, man. Sweeten out better.
Yeah. Can I get one of those?
Hey, what's up, man?
What's up, brother?
How you doing? All right.
Good, man. Yo, hangover for us.
Okay.
I listened to him on last time.
You know how to cure that, man.
Is that it? Yeah.
You have a good day too,
Yeah.
man.
I think I want that. $7. Here. Can you hold that?
Hey, can I get the buttermilk rolls? Buttermilk? Right there. Come on now. You gotta talk to me. Come on now. Go back yet.
All right, well, we're going to talk to you. Let us get this jalapeno bread when you finish with everybody.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's what I'm talking about. Let's go.
Yeah, that looks good.
Keep it moving. You here every Sunday,
Yes,
Chief?
yes.
All right. Every Sunday, come down. We're going to get this jalapeno bread right here.
Great day, okay?
Yeah.
Fresh bread!
Fresh bread. That's what I'm talking about. Jalapeno right here. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, hold on though. I got jalapeno cheese sourdough.
Okay.
I got jalapeno cheese dinner rolls.
Dinner rolls.
I got jalapeno cheese bagels.
Bagels. Okay. So which one you want, babe?
I think I'm gonna. I think I'm gonna stick with this
Okay.
All right.
for now.
Just the one for a grilled cheese sandwich, turkey melt, ham melt.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what's up.
That sounds real good.
And guess what else?
What's up?
Throw some strawberry jam in there.
Uh-huh.
Cheese is the best thing ever. Or French toast with that.
Okay. That's
You
what's
will
up.
love it.
That's what's up.
Thank
We
you.
appreciate you.
Have a blessed day, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Every Sunday, come on out, guys.
I guess that's it, y'all. Prison library got books over there. We came, we saw. So farmers market out here in
Claremont.
Claremont. Come on, babe.
Looking at the people, looking at you, looking at the people.
Look at me.
Yeah. Oh, I'm at Norton's Nursery. Everybody's coughing and sneezing out here. Wow.
Y'all know, I don't do these plants. Plants I do. We're
You're
not
all
there
out.
yet. We're not here yet.
Oh, I want one of these.
We're not there yet for the plants I'm looking for. This for the wifey. Happy wife, happy life, right?
Alright you guys, so I did end up buying this little succulent type plant here. What does it say? It says string of bananas. I've always liked these plants. I don't think they die too fast, so I'm gonna put this outside. Put this outside. So I'm just gonna show you really quick what I got from this farmer's market. We got this jalapeno cheese bread right here from the Old Town Bakery. So I'm gonna make a good old sandwich with this bread. I got 2 tomatoes and a cucumber. I need my tomato for my pizza that I'm gonna be making. And then we just grabbed these juices here. I got a mango cream juice and he got a cranberry beet. And these are 100% pressed juices.
Beets were real good for you. So I got beet cranberry. And you know, the wife, she has mango cream. But look, check this out. Just not one time drinking this is gonna be, you know, help you out. But we are tasting, right? See how this does before we go back. And this might be one reason that we go back to Claremont. Claremont Farmers Market. Cranberry beet. Smells good. Smells real good. Okay. So you can taste the beet, right? But you taste the cranberry too. So it's a good mixture.
Now, is it like a natural bitter cranberry, the sour, or is there a sweetness to it?
It's a sweetness to it, but the beet, like I say, if you tasted beets before, you know how that beet has maybe
the dirt taste, the earthy taste.
The earthly taste. So you get that with the cranberry, so it's not bad at all.
Okay. All right, you guys. So for now we recommend, but we'll see after we drink it and see how it does our stomachs and our systems, and see how we feel after we drink these. We'll let you guys know from there. Okay.
You want to taste
Little
mine?
bitty farmer's market haul.
You want to taste mine?
Yeah. It is now the next day. We decided to use our bread to make a nice turkey sandwich today. So here's my tomato that I bought from the farmer's market. So this is a nice tomato. I'm just gonna slice this up. I'm like, why not cut this cucumber and add it to the sandwich? So let's cut this cucumber up. Next, we're going to cut up this avocado. It's a good looking avocado. So I picked up a little mayo. Look how small that is. It's smaller than my hand. This thing was, I think, $3.59. I got some boar's head mesquite turkey here. And then I got some Swiss cheese here. I love me some Swiss cheese. He wants his toasted, so what I'm gonna do is I've taken a little butter out of the refrigerator and we're gonna spread that butter on the bread and we're gonna toast his bread. Alright, so I think that's good. They feel nice and toasty on the top. You can't really see much browning, but they are toasted. So now we're gonna add mayo to our bread. So I'm gonna add my tomato, add my avocado, this is Swiss cheese. I use Swiss cheese more than I use any other cheese when it comes to making a sandwich. And here we have our smoked turkey breast, mesquite smoked turkey breast. I know you guys know how to make sandwiches. I'm just showing you how I'm making our sandwiches today. So and now I am going to add some red onion. And now we're going to add our cucumber. Do you know I have never added cucumber to any sandwich I have ever made? I have recently just ordered a sandwich with cucumber for the first time, but I've never made a sandwich with cucumber. So this is a first for me. I'm usually a pickle person. Next, we're going to add our arugula. These are turkey sandwiches on sourdough jalapeno cheese bread. Okay, we have a lot of greenery on there. That sandwich looks pretty healthy for the most part. Okay, you guys, so this is the toasted sandwich there. He looked at his sandwich and he said, toasted where? I guess he wanted it super charred, but it's nice and toasty. It might cut his gums right now, but he don't even know that yet. And here is my untoasted sandwich. We're just going to add some kettle potato chips there. And these are salt and black pepper kettle chips. I'm about to give Mr. Man his plate, and he's gonna let us know how he likes this jalapeno bread, jalapeno turkey avocado sandwich.
Straight to the sandwiches, yo. We went to farmer's market. I know the wife told y'all, put y'all up on game. But yeah, we went and got this jalapeno cheese bread. I had the white butter it up, light toast on it. She made these bomb sandwiches, so we're gonna get into these sandwiches real quick. And yeah, with the look, I'm working on it. I'm gonna get it together. You hear what I'm talking about? You know, I started, I don't eat this shit all the time, but this is light dinner right here. This is my dinner right here. You know what I'm talking about? So I gotta find some supplements. We gotta supplement some things, but he working on us. You know what I'm saying? What can I say? I can't just jump off and do it right like that. I gotta gradually get into it, get better in time. Y'all know what's up though, but yeah, I'm about to get into this. I showed y'all what's up. I'm about to get into this. Yeah, watch that bite. It's that first bite. Yeah. You ready, babe?
Yeah. Have you bit it yet?
I haven't bit it yet.
All right, well, let me know what you think.
All right, let me get into this, y'all. See what it do. Jesus, thank you for this food. Receive the name. Lord, say amen. Amen. Yeah.
And you haven't done an eat along with them in a while, you guys. I'm sure you missed that.
Thank you. Oh, you put the cucumbers on there.
I did, but I said we don't know if we're gonna like it. If we don't like it, we're gonna pick them off.
Tastes pretty good.
You like that butter toasted bread?
I love it.
Okay, that's a good idea. I like it too. I have to swap one of my raw breads out for a toasted.
Yeah, if you're in Southern California, we went to farmer's market, Claremont. He got bread. He got jalapeno bagels. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we support.
Yes.
And it's good.
This was good, you guys, and our drinks were good. I really like my drink For what I got it for, it worked for me. For what I got it for already. So I'll be going back to the juice stand as well.
Exactly. And we got another farmer's market we gonna hit. The wifey got me in. My 13s are still to the concrete, believe that. I'll be back out there. I'm watching. I see it's getting popping. We got a few functions coming up in the month of July. Second. Look at that. Second half of one sandwich. But yeah, I'm going out like this. Bye. Okay, hold up. Before we do anything else, we back at it one more time. It's not over. This is the new thing, right? So we hitting farmers markets. Low riders is hitting farmers market, but you might find something, you might see something on We Gonna Eat that you like, you know what I'm talking about? So look up your local neighborhood farmers market and try to hit it.
Okay, Ryan, he got your bully stick. He thought about you. We always think about you. You guys, we've been thinking about tamales lately. Watch them be $10 each. They're $4 each.
Hey, what's going on? So I think we're gonna try
2 beef tamales.
Yeah. We back at the farmers market, y'all. And it's going down up in here. Yeah, let's go. What I'm talking about.
All right, you guys.
You talking? Huh? Go ahead, turn around.
We weren't going to record again today, but we're out here. We figured since we were trying a couple of new spots, we would share it with you. So,
Yeah.
Well, actually, just 2 new spots. So we'll let you know how Ryder likes that stick. And we'll let you know how we like our tamales.
Okay. Let's walk.
Smells like coffee over there. And then next time I'm gonna try some of that chili candy. I love chili candy. Good? Is it good?
Like a sample as well?
Good.
I already know what I'm gonna get.
All right. I can start grabbing them for you if you like as well. You can try a chili.
Then
Oh,
parsley salad.
you're gonna get full.
Our chopper broke on us yesterday. So tragic.
Oh, no way.
I like the first one. Oh,
All right,
okay.
thank you.
No worries. You want to give them one, make it a 5.
Hey, you guys. So, pita bread, pita chips.
It's over here.
Now, the fresh pita bread. How many come in a pack? Is it?
Ooh, and they're soft, nice and soft. Looks like 5. Okay.
Habanero salsa hummus or habanero parmesan?
They're all good. I don't know which one.
Okay, wow.
I'm gonna get the pita bread in the first.
The 2 breads, right?
Yeah, 2.
Everything is 1 for 7, 3 for 2 popular.
Let me get the 4 items.
For our items, you guys.
Okay. We also have a Thai chili.
They too debit. So good.
Is it? Okay. Yeah, that bread was nice and soft.
Yep.
Yeah,
Thank
freshly
you.
baked this morning.
Okay. All right. Thank you. You
You too. We good, sis.
too. Okay.
Popular flavor, but you know,
So this is turkey, right?
that's the only one we've ever made.
Okay.
Do you have any salmon jerky ever?
You know what's funny? Like a lot of people do think this is salmon.
Oh, okay.
I used to do smoked salmon and tuna. I don't do
Okay.
that anymore because
Okay.
I just source the meat like
Oh, I see.
like you know to a certain price that we
Right.
This
Okay.
has been a turkey, you know, picture.
Okay.
Yeah, they ever get,
Yeah,
like,
that reminded me of the
let's-
salmon.
Are you pescatarian? Like,